Charlie Alpha Romeo Sierra. Behind the cars. Good evening, Sergeant Court with Calgary Police. Pretty good, thanks. The reason I'm stopping you is because your registration showing expired.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license, registration,
yeah, I do.
insurance, please?
Here's my driver's license.
Thank you.
I'm just going to grab my insurance and everything.
Sure. Sure.
So my insurance is right there.
Thank you.
And so I just got the car.
Okay.
So I've got my bill of sale and my Alberta transfer form.
Okay.
Dated 2 days ago, and everything adds up to this. So I just haven't gone to the registry yet to actually register this plate to this car. But I got the bill of sale and the transfer and my insurance.
And
corporate insurance. So that's my dealer plate.
Yep.
And then my insurance is for the company, which ties into the IM Cars registration, the bill of sale, and the transfer form. Yeah, because I haven't renewed it yet for this plate, right? Because I just got the car 2 days ago.
Right, but you have to have active registration. So you have 14 days during which to transfer the registration, but the registration does have to be active. You have to have active registration. So you have 14 days during which to transfer the registration, but the registration does have to be active.
Like, my honest intention was I was going to the registry tomorrow morning because I didn't make it today to register the car.
Okay. And then this was purchased
2 days ago.
on the 8th. Right. You go by John, Jonathan?
I go by my middle name, Norman.
Norman?
But
Okay.
Jonathan's fine.
Cool. All right, we'll go with Norman as well.
Sure.
Man, you crushed your driver's license.
You know what? It's almost at the point of the renewal, and of course the way it sits in my wallet, it sits right at the edge, even all my credit cards are the same, so
You got it. Fair enough.
I figure I'll keep it in good shape for the next year until it's due for renewal. I won't crack it.
Absolutely. Okay, I'm just going to do some checks. I'll be right back, Norman.
Alright, so little encounter with Calgary Police, but it's all good. It's all Gucci. Guy's pretty nice. Got all my paperwork in order, and yeah, we'll see what happens.
20 minutes later.
So a second officer just arrived, which is making me a little nervous, that's for sure.
That's what we've been asked to do, right? How about a caffeine injection? I could go for that.
Twenty minutes later.
Probably getting a ticket, so we'll see what the ticket's for. Very curious. Usually these traffic stops go pretty quickly. Check all my stuff, make sure I'm not wanted, which I'm not. I have a very clean license, and yeah, so we'll see. Here comes the officer.
Alright, got a bill of sale. Done. That done. Insurance, somewhat questionable as well, since it is for a dealership, but this obviously isn't for dealership purposes. Let's give a warning on that. Alright, Norman, here are all your documents back. So, you got your bill of sale, you've got your... It's the first time I've ever seen laminated registration insurance. I love that.
So the reason I laminate it, just for your
Against the
info,
company.
I'm always bringing between cars, and like
Right.
I'll travel to BC, so like I'd rather just have it durable, and you know
Makes
what I mean.
sense.
And then I got insurance right there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Totally, makes sense. Okay, so there's your license.
Okay.
And so you're going to be getting a ticket and a break tonight. So the ticket is for operating an unregistered motor vehicle on the roadway. So you've got up to and until September 30th to take care of it. The traffic court is hot and cold as to whether they're open or shut during COVID-ish times right now.
they're shut. I've had multiple tickets thrown out in the last 12 months. So.
Okay.
But not for you or me. We're concerned ourselves with that. Right
Yeah,
now,
no, it's more or less like if you're going to challenge the ticket, then don't go down in person. You can send it in, you can mail it in, or you can find their website and then you can send them an email as well. I just
Yeah,
forgot the
I've
website
got the
address.
email.
Okay,
In
perfect. You're
my
experienced, I
database,
see.
yeah.
All right, cool.
Just a
So-
question, not
yeah.
challenging the ticket or anything.
Sure.
So, in the event, like, obviously, at some point this plate was brand new and completely unregistered.
Yep.
Is there no grace period for a completely unregistered plate to be registered to a vehicle? Does that make sense?
No, the second the vehicle is on any publicly accessible area, even this parking lot here, then it's got to be registered.
Gotcha. So you would have to register the vehicle without driving it on the plate, if that makes sense.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. It's just a
I
question.
imagine
wasn't
you're
sure.
a car dealer, right?
I am, yeah.
Yeah, so you know how the process
Oh,
works,
yeah, no,
right?
no.
Like when somebody buys a new car, they go get it registered first before, or they just have the documents then for 14 days, right? But that plate itself has got to be actively registered. Can't be an expired plate.
Makes
That's the
sense.
catch. So the break tonight is that we're not going to tow the vehicle for obvious reasons.
I appreciate that.
It would take forever for them to get this thing onto a tow truck, and I mean, given the explanation you gave me, it sounds
Yeah, and I'm
reasonable.
going to make sure it's registered first thing.
Right,
So,
and also
I'll have
just
no
as a
problem.
word of warning tonight, if you're driving anywhere other than home, I imagine you're probably heading down to 17th Ave maybe, then any other officer could be pulling you over, right? And they might make different decisions than I, and they might
Understood.
tow the vehicle. So
I
Word to the
appreciate
wise.
it.
All right,
I
cool.
appreciate it. Thanks so much. All right, police pullover over. For any of you who have been issued a ticket like this, I'm going to link in the video description and up here right now a how to successfully get your tickets thrown out. I have done this with many tickets, and I walk you through the process step by step on how you can simply just throw that ticket away legally. They will throw it out easy. 5-6 steps, you're done. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, and as always, we'll catch you guys on the next one.